Welcome to Taste of Portugal. Today I will bring you creamy, comforting, and packed with history. This is Bacalhau à Brás, one of Portugal's most beloved dishes. Today, we're making it just like it's done in Lisbon taverns and Alentejo kitchens. Let's dive in. Bacalhau à Brás is a simple yet deeply satisfying dish made with salted cod, crispy potatoes, eggs, and a whole lot of soul. It's quick to make, and even quicker to disappear once served. Now the ingredients. You'll need salted cod, onions, garlic, eggs, matchstick potatoes, olive oil, and a handful of parsley. That's it. Simple ingredients that come together to create something unforgettable. Start by soaking your salted cod in cold water for 24 to 48 hours, changing the water several times. Once it's ready, drain and shred the cod into small bite-sized pieces, removing any skin and bones. Peel and slice your potatoes into matchsticks, or use store-bought if you prefer. Fry them until golden and crisp. These will add a perfect crunch to the dish. In a large skillet, heat olive oil and sauté a sliced onion until soft and translucent. Add minced garlic and let it cook for another minute until fragrant. Add your shredded cod to the pan and stir gently. Let it cook for about 5 minutes so the flavors can blend and the cod can warm through. Now fold in your crispy potatoes, gently. You want them to stay somewhat crunchy while they soak in all that cod and onion flavor. Beat your eggs and pour them over the mixture. Stir constantly on low heat until the eggs are just set. Creamy and soft, never dry. Season with black pepper and just a touch of salt if needed. Finish with chopped parsley and black olives for a burst of color and flavor. Serve your Bacalhau à Brás hot, with a crisp green salad on the side and a glass of cold Vinho Verde or dry white wine. It's the kind of meal that brings people together around the table. That's perfect. The saltiness of the cod, the creaminess of the egg, and that crunch from the potatoes, absolutely delicious. If you've never tried this dish before, now's the time. Did you enjoy this traditional Portuguese recipe? Then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your version of acorda, and don't forget to subscribe for more authentic Portuguese cooking. See you in the next video.